In this section, I will walk you through step by step on how to install the DriverApp and successfully connect it to your system. The DriverApp is a user-friendly smartphone app that is available for Android and soon also for iOS devices. There are two convenient ways to connect the DriverApp with your system. The first method is to use the Fleet module to send an SMS with a download link and your company code to the driver's smartphone. Once the app has been downloaded via the link, the driver enters their name, the company code, and a verification code that they receive via a separate SMS. The company code ensures that the smartphone is associated with your company account. Alternatively, the DriverApp can be downloaded directly from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. In this case, the driver or the person setting up the app needs to obtain the company code separately. You can find the company code in the Fleet module, in the top right corner. Please note that the smartphone may need to be correctly configured to enable reliable tracking. If the smartphone is not set up correctly, a warning will be displayed in the Fleet module. For detailed information, please contact our customer support. Let's now change the perspective and take the driver's viewpoint. As soon as the driver receives the order via the DriverApp on his smartphone, all planned stops are clearly displayed on a map. This visualization allows him to gain a clear overview of the upcoming route and the tasks to be accomplished. In parallel, the meticulously planned, truck-friendly route you provided is made available to him. This route takes into account specific requirements for trucks, such as weight restrictions or height limitations, and guides the driver safely and efficiently to his destination. Once the driver starts the order in the app, the map view automatically switches to a kind of navigation mode. This dynamic display now moves in sync with the truck, continuously showing the driver his current location and the remaining distance to the next stop. If the driver prefers, he also has the option to open other truck navigation apps or Google Maps to follow his route. Upon arrival at each stop, the driver can update the status in the app and, if necessary, upload necessary documents or photos. He also has the option to leave comments about the situation on site. Documents and photos can be flexibly uploaded directly from the smartphone camera or subsequently from the gallery. The driver has access to all details of the order in the app at all times and can communicate with the dispatcher at any time as needed via the integrated chat function. This allows for direct and uncomplicated communication, contributing to the resolution of problems or clarification of uncertainties. The entire application is designed to be simple and intuitive to use. The clear structure and user-friendly interface enable your driver to quickly familiarize himself with the app and effectively use its features. We are confident that your driver will appreciate the benefits of this application.